So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So from 4 to 5 days I was not able to record any video and not able to upload any video because I was not getting time. So I was exhausted, I was busy, and sometimes I was feeling lazy. That's why I haven't recorded video. But still I am working on my English, so I am here to give my recent update about how I am improving my English. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, if you are watching my videos, my name is Shweta, and I have took one resolution by the end of 2026. I want to improve my English. So that's why I'm doing so many things to improve my English. As I in my previous videos I said that to improve your English you need to do multiple things like listening, writing, speaking. Uh, so these are the things you need to do. So now in this video I'm going to tell you what are the extra things you need to do to improve your English. In this video I'm going to tell you one practical thing that is gonna work like a magic. So first thing, if you really want to improve your English as soon as possible, then you need to speak in English, no matter what. If you are going outside, if you don't have anyone person to speak in English, what you can do is you can speak with ChatGPT. Yes, if you have mobile, if you have Android, as if you are watching this video, that means you have already one Android mobile, and in ChatGPT you get one option. In mobile you can download ChatGPT application, and on ChatGPT application you can have conversation with ChatGPT, and there no one will be there to judge you. So you can give ChatGPT a prompt like this: hey ChatGPT, I want to learn English, and I'm started my English speaking journey, and I want to improve my English fluency, so please help me with that. So ChatGPT will give you answer. So what you can do, basically you can say that, hey ChatGPT, let's talk about any random conversation, like daily routine, like any news about any actor, about any motivational speaker. So like that, if you go give prompt to ChatGPT, then he will start he his ChatGPT will start talking with you in English. And this is how I am working on my English. So if you want to stay connected with me to know how I am improving my English, and you also want to get more ideas, you also want to keep motivated yourself to be on this journey, then I request you to subscribe to my channel. So let's meet in my next video. Bye.